Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Make It Quick Monday on Cardz TV. And in my last video, which was the Hop Along for Easter video hop here on YouTube, I showed you one of these center step cards that I had made. And these are really quick and easy to make. And several of you asked me to do a tutorial on making a center step card. So that's what we're going to do today on Make It Quick Monday. So I'll get everything we need over here and we'll get started. Okay, to make this card, you'll need a paper trimmer and a sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Now I'm going to put this in the long way and cut this at 5.5 inches, and we'll be able to get 2 of these cards out of 1 sheet of cardstock. Next, we're going to turn our paper this way and line the edge up with the 1-inch mark. And then if you look at your paper trimmer, mine has a little raised handle right here. And over here we have measurements. I'm going to put this on the 1-inch mark. You can see that lines up right there. Or maybe you can't. I know this is a long ways away and it's hard for me to see over the camera. But I've got it lined up at 1 inch. I'm going to put that down, make sure I've got my cardstock lined up on the 1-inch line over here. And I'm going to cut down to the 5.25 inch line right there. And I'm just going to hold my finger right there so I'll know where to stop. And this little part right here is going to end up right here at 5.25 inches. I just put a new blade in and I'm still having trouble cutting this. Okay, now you can see we've got our first cut. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Okay, this is what we're going to end up with. Now I'm going to get my scoreboard over here and I'll show you what comes next. Now I've got this cardstock the long way in my scoreboard and I'm going to score just to this cut line at 1 inch, 2 inches, and 5.25. Then I'm going to flip it around and do the same thing on this side. Next, we're going to score the middle, and the middle only, at 4.25 inches. So I'll find this right here, follow it down, and hope I can get in the right groove, and just score the middle at 4.25. Now we're going to start folding our score lines. We're going to start with this one here at the bottom, and it's going to be a mountain fold, just like that. Then this next fold is going to be a valley fold. And you can see how this is coming together. Then we're going to do another mountain fold up here, and then last we're going to fold the center. And then we're going to take our bone folder and go over all these score lines so we get a nice sharp edge. And there you have it, guys, a center step card. Now in What's New Wednesday, we are going to finish this card because I got something super cute I want to show you guys that I found, and you are going to love this card when it's done. And you're going to love what I'm going to show you. But before What's New Wednesday comes Tuesday, right? That's tomorrow. Make sure you come back tomorrow, guys, because I am doing a special Easter collaboration with an awesome YouTuber. and you are going to love her. So be sure and come back tomorrow for that video. Okay, guys. Thanks so much for coming by today for Make It Quick Monday. And I hope you guys will go ahead and get your step card bases ready so you'll have them done and ready to decorate on What's New Wednesday. And I will see you again tomorrow with that special collaboration. Thanks a lot, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye now.